guys, Chef Sunshine here, bringing you another simple, delicious, and kid-friendly recipe from heart.org. So it's kid-friendly enchiladas, and when I say kid-friendly, I just mean that we dial back the spices and the flavors so it's a little plainer. If your kids can handle it, bump it up. I fully encourage it. Cumin is one of my favorite things. I only did a little bit in this recipe, but you can certainly add more. We have pre-cooked shredded chicken, we have salt-free pinto beans, we have Greek yogurt, tomato sauce with no salt, shredded cheddar, cumin, oregano, and chili powder. So let's start with, we have our chicken and our beans and 1 tablespoon of chili powder. And this is mild chili powder. Don't confuse it with cayenne because it won't end well. Just to get a good mix on it, I'm going to mix the chili powder in with the chicken first, and then I'm going to combine the chicken in with the beans. So here we go. Just a little flavory. If at this point you want to add some lime juice or save lime juice for the end, that's cool. As I've said in other videos, citrus is such a great replacement or addition to things that you want to do a little lower in sodium because it sort of hits the same sensors on your taste buds. So the beans, the chili powder, and the chicken are mixed. We have our filling ready now. And then we're going to make our sauce quick. We're going to pour our tomato sauce in our mixing bowl, our Greek yogurt. And I love Greek yogurt because you can replace sour cream with Greek yogurt. You can replace a lot of creamy things with Greek yogurt. It's got more calcium and more protein because it's been strained. It also has good probiotics in it. I love Greek yogurt. I use it in a lot of things. So mix this up nice so you get like this light pink creamy sauce. We're going to throw in our oregano, our other teaspoon of chili powder, and our cumin. Now this is the sauce that's going to go on top. So try to de-lump that dairy in there. So now we're going to move on to building and rolling these enchiladas. I'm going to take our casserole pan, and you can use a square one, it depends on how much you're making. I'm going to put a little tiny bit of this sauce in the bottom, probably about 2 tablespoons, and just spread it on the bottom. And then we're going to take these warm corn tortillas that we just warmed up in our little packet in the oven, and we're going to roll some enchiladas. So mine are nice and moist, so they're sticking together a little bit, but that's okay. They don't need to be perfect looking because they're going to be covered in creamy, dreamy sauce and a little bit of cheese. All right, darlings, we have finished rolling our stuffed enchiladas and placing them super snugly in our pan. Now we're going to cover it with this delicious sauce, creamy. Yep. So nice. And then we're going to just sprinkle on some cheese. No need to go wild. A little goes a long way. I know people love tons of cheese, but experiment with using the amount that's in the recipe, the half cup. It's going to look delicious. It's already got some creaminess going on inside. Let's put this in the oven and start our broccoli and easy cheesy sauce. So here are our ingredients for broccoli with easy cheesy sauce. We have broccoli, the star of the show. Cream cheese, it melts so quick and easy, plus it's actually lower in sodium than a lot of other cheeses. Garlic powder to pep it up, and then we have extra virgin olive oil and a couple tablespoons of water just to make sure we get that right consistency. So we're about to make our easy cheesy sauce. When I say easy, you will not believe how quick and easy this is. Cheese sauce doesn't have to be intimidating. It can be super quick. You could cover any vegetable in it and have something extra luscious for your dinner to get the kids to dip their veggies. So we're going to start by putting our water and our olive oil in our pot. We have our already steamed broccoli. We're going to just heat that And once it starts to bubble a little bit, which should only be a couple of minutes, we will add the cheese and the garlic powder. Now the garlic powder is optional, but it does give it a lot of flavor, and it does make it taste more like a queso than if you didn't use it. So I would definitely suggest that you do. Okay, so it's such a small amount, it's already steamy. I'm going to put our cream cheese in, and the easiest way to melt this is to do it in small lumps. You could cut it beforehand, but I don't like to do that. Just kidding, I forgot. There we go. Okay, so you're going to want to get your whisk out and just move this around as it melts. And this is pretty much it. You're just going to sit with this. You want to make sure your heat is not too high, because you don't want that liquid to evaporate before it helps make this cheese sauce. You can see it breaking down already. There we go. Smells good, nice and creamy. I'm going to come up and show you. You can see, and that's what we're looking for. Let's pour this over the broccoli. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Cheesy and bubbly right out of the oven.